Listen, listen. Electronical practice. Next we are going to discuss about the pipe command. Pipe command means nothing. Whenever you wants to go for the parallel processing or on a single statement, if you wants to go for multiple commands, okay? Yes, sir. Whatever we discussed about this, we will discuss only that single command on the single line, right? Is it or not? So if you want to go for multiple lines or multiple commands on single line, then you can use this one. The syntax for that is command 1, pipeline, command 2, pipeline, command 3, like that. Okay? The pipe is nothing, it is called R symbol. It is called R symbol. It is available on above the enter key, the backslash key. Clear? On your keyboard, backslash key you have to use. Now, some of the examples. See here, ls hyphen l, it is the one command, and right symbol. Then more. More is also one of the command. Clear? More is also one of the command. I hope it is clear to you. Is it clear? Up to n number you can use. There is no any restriction on that. Now, next one, echo command. Next one is echo. Have you worked with C, C++, Python, Java? Studied or not? If you want to display something on output, on terminal window, console window, what command you will use? What is the command used for displaying some content on the console window? In Python or in C, C++? Which command you will use? Tell me, right? Why this much hesitation? Print command or printf function? Print function we are using the same thing. Same thing is there. Okay. Whenever you want to print something on the terminal window, then you can use echo. In case of Linux, in case of Ubuntu, that is echo command. It is equivalent of print command. And one more thing, that whenever you are using for the terminal window, it is not much secure, because you know very well each and every commands. After completing the commands, if you are pressing enter means which will gives you the output or which will gives you the response. Is it or not? Is it or not? Why it is providing the response? There is a why it is providing the response. Have you studied about compiler and interpreter? Studied what the compilers will do? Raise the input. One by one, one by one. Okay. The compiler what it will do is, once it reads the all files, and it will analyze the wherever the branch instructions are there or not, whether it has to arrange or allocate some memory locations for that or not. Okay, on that branch instruction also forward jump is there, backward jump also there. Okay, forward jump and backward jump it is okay because it can easily assign the value, assign the memory location, but forward jump it is not possible. While reading by line means it is not possible. So after that, assigning this memory location, and after that, which will convert into the object file, which will convert into the object file, then which will generate the linker file also. Then it will generate the assembler file, then which will generate the output form of the file. That may be hexa file, that may be bit file, that may be bin file, the whatever output format. That is what the duty of or role of the compiler. Clear? What about interpreter? Which reads the program line by line, and there itself which will generate the output or response. Okay, that is what I told. In case of terminal, then each and every command, whatever the command we are typing, and after that we are pressing enter means what it is happening. which is displaying the output there itself, that is called interpreter. Now, whenever you are working with interpreter, no issue, you no need to go for the some print command or echo command. But whenever you are writing some program, like self-scripting program is there in Linux, that tomorrow or day after tomorrow we are going to discuss about self-scripting. Mostly tomorrow we are going to discuss. Now, self-scripting, you are not going to work with the terminal window. You are going to work with text editor. You are going to work with text editor. On the text editor, if you want to display on this some output on the terminal window, then you have to use echo. Understand? For example, simple logic: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10. You are just adding these two values. How you will write? C is equal to a plus b. You will write. Is it or not? Yes, it is added. Content of A, content of B added and stored into the C. Now, how you will be verifying the output? How will you verify the output? Is it possible to verify by you? You will enter into the A, what is the value of A, or what is the value of B, what is the value of C? Somewhere you have to print that statement. Somewhere you have to print the value of the A, you have to, value of the C, you have to print. Is it or not? So that is what echo. Understand? In this echo, you can use, in case of print statement, you are using within the bracket, you are using like the single quote or double quote, you are using the similar way. Here there is no need of any function over here. You no need to use open bracket, close bracket. Instead of that, directly echo space without quote or with the single quote or with the double quote also you can use. The both will work. Clear? Either without quote also, like for example, echo welcome to kite. If you are writing means which will display welcome to kite. That is the string. Clear? The similarly within the single quote, if you are writing welcome to kite, that will also display. If you are similarly, if you are writing within the double quote, that will also display. The difference is there that I will say you tomorrow. Okay, while starting the cell scripting, I will just convey to you when to use without quote, when to use single quote, when to use double quote. That I will discuss. Okay, now this is what the syntax. See, echo. Then what are the options? What are the options you want to use the option? Then the string. Then the string. Now, have you studied about escape sequence? What are the escape sequence of that? Backslash, new line, formatted, and horizontal tab, vertical tab. Like that is that. That is what. Whenever you want to use the escape sequence, some special character or some special functions, okay, you have to use option E. Option E, if you are not using the escape sequence option, will not enable on the echo option, echo command. Clear? See, that is what option E, enable interpretation of backslash escape sequence. Each and every sequence we are using with backslash, no? So that's what that one, backslash escape sequences. Understand this? If you want to utilize the escape sequences means you have to use the minus E option. That means hyphen E options. Understand? Clear or not? Simply you are using like a code space within the code you are writing like backslash B, backslash C, backslash C. If you are writing means which will not work. Is it clear? Now, some of the examples I will just show you. First one, it is written that dollar prompt, after the dollar prompt, echo within the double quote hello world. Within the double quote hello world. Okay, just display the hello world. Just displays the hello world. Then next one, dollar echo. What is written? Just dollar x. Dollar echo dollar x.